Hey team, Chelsea's Tech 874, continuation video out in Chicago. We have attic crawl space there. Definitely want to bring our own ladder. And I'm gonna go up there in a second so you guys can see. And we'll have this area cleared out so that you have enough space. This is the front door. You do have your electric panel right here. All the circuit breakers for the AC, it's there. And then I'm just gonna go up this ladder here. So let's see if I can turn on the light here. Alright, so you get an idea, there is a light switch there. But now you have a better idea of your working space. You can kind of see the duct. So definitely a challenging project, but I believe it can be done. Alright, Chelsea's Tech 874 out.